Alright, we've got a battery here that was in an electric car that is actually a golf cart battery. And the reason I say that is these are the golf cart posts. And they, on electric cars, because of the current being so high, they'll warm this bolt up and it'll actually pull out. And when it does, then the metal flops over like this, the molten lead, and burns a hole in your battery. And that's what happened to this guy. He's got 2 holes in him. Even though he's a perfectly good battery, he has got some holes in him. Now there may be a popping because of the hydrogen in here, so we stand back. And as you heard, that release was the hydrogen and oxygen burning off. Right now I'm using the same piece as this guy right here. Okay, so you kind of you warm it up enough to kind of wet the case that's there. And then we drip on top.
So like candle wax, you're actually dripping melted plastic over the piece you just melted.
That's correct.
Okay. Now we have a perfectly good battery. Is that correct?
Well, at least it won't leak. Now you want to watch that we don't get too hot here. And of course we got our safety glasses on.